Good morning. We are live. Really nice Chevelle rolling out. All right. A little overcast this morning. Let's go check out the car parked in front of here first. Oh, let's check the 55 gasser coming in first. Sorry. Ed, good morning. Morning. Really nice gasser. Really nice. All right, let's go check this bad boy out. This thing's beautiful. Whose car is this? I saw them pull in, but I didn't see whose car it was. Morning from St. Petersburg. I didn't see whose car this was. Did you see whose car it was? No? Really nice. What's up, man? How you doing?
You want to look at the magazine there? It's got some interesting stuff.
Oh, this is your car, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
The car, when it was built over, I think, God, I'm trying to think how many years ago.
You've come here with this before, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I came here right in the middle of when everybody was locked down.
Oh, okay. I feel like I
drove it. I live in Palm Desert. And I drove all the way down there, yeah.
Mm-hmm. And what year is it?
51.
51.
51 murder.
Oh, okay. And there's the stuff about it, huh?
Yeah, page 2 there. You can see the whole.
Yeah, there's some real interesting stuff in there.
Wow, it's really nice.
What he did and how he reshaped the roof, the top, the fenders, the headlights he tried to use.
Uh-huh. And how?
He put like the 51 Ford, you see right on the fender well, he put that lip around the outside here.
Uh-huh.
But it tells that the 52 Lincoln reverse wolf chrome strip on the side, the back bumpers out of a soda, 53 soda.
Wow.
Can we go see the
It's just amazing stuff that they did with this thing. And this thing was built years ago on the East Coast.
Oh, okay.
Very Connecticut is where it came from.
So now, was this a car that you kind of went out looking for? Or did you see it and you just had to have it?
I drove all the way down there and looked at one and had all body rot underneath it. I looked everywhere. I belong to workaholics. They're mostly West Covina, Pomona, all of that area. Guys.
Yeah.
All your 47s, 50s, and I just heard the horror stories. Most of them were still to this day in the shops getting this done, the glass done,
Yeah.
whatever. It's just, these guys that build them, and I've been around to a lot of shops, they start a job, they get so much money, and then they go to the next time. You can go on once a car building. Next thing they got 6 cars going,
Yeah.
and you're in line. Yeah, I took them to 2 shops yesterday. One, Chris was right here, and he has about 100 cars there, and he has all custom cars. He's on YouTube, and then he's got a lot of 50-foot work like this at all, with the sun visor, or just the standard. So these guys told me, said, you can find them, pick it up. There's some high hundred. Now there's one in YouTube, and it's been there for quite a while again on eBay, and it's up in Sacramento. Rancher Cordova. The guy put it on a horse and frame with a Cadillac motor, and it's
Good to see
it's
you.
like metallic blue. He's asking for $2,000.
Right.
And it's a beautiful deal, but he has the guy who did the leather, the guy who did the paint, the guy who did the frame, did the motor, and all top-notch guys.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful car.
That's why it's almost better to find one that's done, because like you said, you're going to get into one of these cars and it's going to be in a shop for 10 years and you're going to be into it $500,000 or $700,000, right? Uh-huh.
All the metal leading.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, he's still working. Yep. Yeah, I'll go drop it off my car.
I'm in there and seeing it. When I saw him at the Grand National,
Yep. He does a lot of cars.
I got a sign.
Taking Dano's place.
Wonderful guy.
Yeah, he's cool.
I was supposed to bring this in October. He was going to have a flash drop in my house. And I was going to meet him, but I called him.
My neighbor said
Beautiful car.
Yeah, page through that magazine. It shows the whole building.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Beautiful. It's such a really cool car. It's a lot of work done to this thing, man. Crazy. A lot of crazy stuff done to this thing. Sure is nice, huh?
Yeah,
What do you think, Dylan?
I like it.
Yeah, it's cool, huh?
Feeling approved.
Dylan approved?
Yep.
There's a ton of stuff done to it. Sure does sit really nice. Oh, right in your way. Sorry. Sorry about that. Morning, everyone. Thanks for watching. Buy a Thomas Blueberry Donut. You got it. Wow. There's a couple hours of body work in that thing.
Couple hours.
I'm kidding. A couple hundred hours or a couple thousand hours, maybe.
Yeah.
Let's go look at Lou's car, this green one right here, this hot rod over here. This thing's really cool too. Is that his horn?
Yeah.
Wow. People driving around. It is a very, very full day. I think the parking lot's full.
It is.
Rick says, "Hi, Dylan from Canada."
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
You're world famous. You didn't even know it. You knew it already.
Yeah.
I know. He knew it already. This thing's really cool. I like how they did the black,
The black and brown.
yeah, tan or brown pinstriping on the body, and then how they did it on the louvers too. It's really cool. It's a really, really nice Roadster. Really cool.
You had no clue what that was.
This?
Yeah.
I didn't. You're right. I absolutely had no idea. I know. You did. You're right. You're absolutely right. Really? Is that F100 too? And this is a what did you say?
An Anglia.
Anglia.
It's a 47 through a 49. And not.
It says 48 Thunder on the side, so I'm going to assume it is a 48 Anglia.
Okay.
I'm assuming. It's got big old tubs in the back. It's like a cage in it. Pretty cool car. Louisville, Kentucky. Kenny, good morning.
Last week or so, we don't run the heater.
Full this morning. Full. The Gilmore Special. The Gilmore Special. I like your graphic on the side. That's cool.
Oh, Gilmore Stadium, right?
Yeah.
Where the races used to be?
Up there in
Dave Moore. That's cool.
ran in Bonneville 46, 48.
Tom, good morning. Good looking truck too. I like this truck. It always has during Christmas, it has the Christmas tree out of the back.
Yep.
Looks really cool. I like that car too. People from Canada are saying hi to Dylan. Yep.
Going live, Dylan?
Yeah, we're live right now. You want to say hi to anybody? No? I really like this over here too. You ever seen this car before?
I don't think so.
It's really, really cool. Look at how cool the dash is. Ohio. Lee, good morning. Look at how nice the dash is and all the riveting and stuff inside there. Beauty.
We're looking, and then like a few seconds, straight up. None of us thought it could cannon on the front.
Hi, boy. Oh, I've seen this in here all the time. It's for sale now? Wow. This is for sale?
These shows here, you know.
37.5.
Wow. Huh.
It's a really nice coupe.
Yeah, this is a beautiful car. This car is here all the time. I'm really surprised this is for sale, honestly. Wow. Huh. I'm really surprised.
Fine, that's why I talked
Wow.
to you. That's why I called you.
Look at that thing.
It's not a big
Chop top, supercharged. That thing sounds really nice.
That's chop?
Yeah, just a little bit. I like this hydro car too.
Yeah. There's that
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. It's busy this morning. Oh, we got a couple people leaving. A couple spots. A couple spots opening up. I think he scored on a spot, but I guess not.
Whatever was wired, right?
Oh, maybe he did. Got the Z. Oh, that's kind of cool. We got a little backup LED on top of his windshield. That's kind of interesting.
Here we go.
Okay. You want to check it out? You like the 377 Thunderbird? All right, let's go check it out. Thunderbird fans, this is a good looking Thunderbird.
This was factory sunroof car.
Yeah, you know what? The pictures he has over here of what it looked like when he first got it is really cool. Because, I mean, the amount of work he did to get it to look this nice is...
It was like one of the first ones with the sunroof, I think he said.
Yeah, it's really, really nice car.
If not, it's probably the first one.
Dave Moore. Good morning, Dave. Yeah, it's a really, really nice car. It's just in such nice shape. That black just really makes it look really nice. Tom, good morning. Studebaker truck. Morning.
Usually that guy has a really good horn.
Yeah, he has a good horn.
He has like a train horn in his car.
Does he really?
Yeah.
Wow. Uh-oh. That truck's sleeving, darn it. That thing's cool. That thing's cool. That thing's really cool. Got the 57, the 57, and the 57. And Eric. Got the 57, the 57, and the 57.
Is it a 57?
Oh, I don't know. I was just saying those ones. Sorry. Cool AMX.
Is there one here?
Morning. What year's your AMX?
73.
73.
Yeah.
This looks cool.
Called a Traveler.
I like these cars. Eric. Rick. Morning. These are cool. Keep cruising?
We'll be there.
Morning.
Morning. Yeah, I thought about it.
Wow, look at how nice the engine is on this thing. Wow. Are you still driving around?
No, I found a better spot.
All right.
I'm not that crazy. I just went home at that point.
Wow. Wow.
LS swap.
That's beautiful. That's a really nice engine compartment. Looks really nice on the inside too. Oops, sorry about that. Excuse me. That convertible is really nice. Yeah, that engine compartment is ridiculous.
See, look at all the work on the interior, brand new top.
Yeah.
Look at the trim and everything, actually better than new.
Wow.
Paintwork can do too, not a ripple.
Crazy. This is a really, really nice car. Yeah, it is. This engine is pretty ridiculous. I like the brushed aluminum and stuff on the interior trim looks really nice too. It took the console all the way back. Wow. Is this your car?
Yeah.
Oh wow. The engine compartment, compartment and the console goes all the way back. It's really
It
nice.
actually belongs to this gentleman right
Oh
here.
wow. It's really nice. Beautiful car.
He just got it back from the shop 3 days ago.
Oh, did he? Wow.
First time he's driven it.
Wow. That's cool. First time he's driven it. Wow.
They're at like
Sure is nice.
A lot of these guys from Sweden and that, they love their muscle cars.
Very nice. Your dad likes this year Chevelle. 64 and 65, I think.
Going to see a more
I should dream car.
Yeah, that's what I thought. But does he like a hardtop or convertibles better?
They were the best cars
Yeah,
made.
he likes them both,
I
huh?
think he likes the hard top.
Yeah.
There was a lady I met who had a
Wow. Hi from Denmark. Man, that engine compartment is ridiculous. Ridiculous. What's up?
I want to thank you for doing your live videos on Facebook.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
I live just 2 blocks
Uh-huh.
right from the water department, but our schedule's been because of COVID.
Uh-huh.
We're Saturday, so I haven't been able to make it here. So all the guys in the office, we have coffee and donuts in the office. We'll watch you. So my wife says, we only live 2 blocks. I go, well, we just changed our schedule back. Now I can come Saturdays.
Nice.
But all the guys that work like I go, just watch it, dude. Let's have some coffee and donuts. We can't go down. We can watch it live.
That's awesome. Cool. I appreciate that. What's your name?
Ralph.
Ralph. I'm Steven.
Yeah.
Very nice to meet you.
And my brother's got the 53 right at the entrance park there.
Okay, the one that's at the very front with the flag on, the Felix flag
Yeah,
on
and
it?
then my
Oh,
brother
cool.
had the 56 over there. He's gone now.
Nice.
They go over to Hilltop Liquor Park for a while.
Oh, okay. Nice.
And I
That's
know this
awesome.
little guy.
This crazy kid?
Brian here, do you know?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think so. He doesn't drive down too often.
Right.
Or from...
I've been trying to get up with him. He has some stuff I need, shirts for me.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't think
Still
he's
going,
sure.
you going on Wednesday night?
Yeah, they go once in a while.
A few weeks because
Festus Mo. Yeah, thank you very much. Very nice to meet you.
Yeah.
of rain, but
I know.
Really nice Chevelle, too. Good looking Chevelle. Whoops. Sorry, guys. Our gimbal freaked out here. There we go. Rick, really appreciate that. Thank you. Good looking Chevelle right here, too. Keep cruising. Uh-oh, somebody's getting jumped. Wow, that is a huge supercharger. That's a big supercharger on that thing. Yeah, that's cool. Nice. Somebody getting jump. Somebody getting a jump. Nice Mercury too. Oh, this guy. Oh, we found a spot. Oh, there you go. We found a spot. This little car, do you see it pull in?
it needs
He pulled in with it too.
three actually.
Yeah, he did. I saw him. He drove it in.
Go ahead and sit in. Get your picture taken.
You got it.
I can take your picture.
Yes, sir.
For our club chapter.
Yes, sir. The man.
You gotta get that smile. Smiling at you, not me.
Yep. That's pretty funny. This is perfect for you.
Wait till those guys get out of the way.
This is your size right here. This is your size. This is perfect. I know. This thing's cool. So what's the story with this thing?
I'm glad you asked. Even though last night was a guard grill, they told the story 100 times last night. The guy that built this car, he built it in 1948. And he gave it to his son when he passed away, and his sons are Canadians right now. So he wanted to donate it to the museum. So my job is to take it to the museum in Athens, Ohio. King Midget Motors was from Athens, Ohio, and used to be able to buy these in the back of Popular Mechanics magazine and build it himself.
Oh, really?
And so that's what he did. He built this car himself. They would give you this, the grill, and then plans and he built everything else. Oh, wow. And then later on, they got into Model 2s, Model 3s. They were actually a production company. They actually produced cars from 1946 to 1970. And no one's ever heard of them. Like the 6th largest car company in the United States, no one's ever heard of them.
Huh. in popular mechanics.
Back in pop, yeah. If you look up King Midget, you'll see some old ads that say build your own car for whatever.
Wow.
And you can actually buy a brand new car for $500.
Huh.
Yeah, that was a Model 2s and 3s that I got to get the price range. But it came in two colors, beige and red. If you want a different color, you had to pay them $5 more or something like that.
Oh, funny.
But they all had like 6 and 9 horsepower and 12 horsepower engines. So this one only has like a 6 horsepower Honda. This car was actually rebuilt in '98. They repainted. They put a newer motor in there. But originally he would have had a 6 horsepower Wisconsin with a pull start. That's what that thing there is.
Oh, pull start.
But it's not a pull start anymore. It's electric start.
No, he does.
Oh. But it was actually built. Everything here was built in 1948. It's just a 4. In '98 they put a different motor in. Dude, that's looking.
That thing's really cool. That thing's really cool. Wow. Huh. Very cool. My gimbal freaked out.
It's freaking out.
Yeah, I guess so. Well, oops.
I like it. You're like me. I love a good low ride.
Well,
I don't know why.
we're gonna do old school, huh?
Like me.
Old school.
Well, mine doesn't do anything.
Yeah, it's weird. It maybe
This does do this.
maybe the battery died or something. That's okay. Yeah.
Isn't it the rarely rare Chevelle two-door?
The two-door, yeah. You don't see too many two-doors. Oh, we got the pups.
Doggos.
Pups in the house.
Tanya Harding and Lacey Peterson.
Tanya Hardy.
That's her favorite.
Car from overhauling.
Carrying a stick. Better watch out.
Oh man. Bunch of the VW guys. Tanya Harding. That's funny. Let me go look at this fastback Mustang. This one's really nice.
I'll go do live.
Okay, sounds good. And it's a manual. Good looking car. Really nice. Cool 3100 truck. I like this 58 convertible with the Continental kit too. I'm gonna make sure I check that out. Man, that's nice. This gentleman has 3 of these guys, I think, 3 Impalas. Got the one over here, this guy, and then one other one, if I'm not mistaken. Dave, good morning.
That's a sled.
I like the way the exhaust is run back through the side. That's pretty cool.
They say nowadays you can bolt them on, so you don't have to
Run back here through the side. That's really cool.
So if you can do that, I'm thinking, hey, you know, but I don't know. I don't know something about my
Dave, good morning. Beautiful 64, 65 Chevelle. Such a cool color. Ray, fake? Oh yeah, you're probably right. Oh yeah, yes sir, they are. Cool little touch on the side though.
Yeah. And then you make the left and then you make the right. The right one is foaming.
Yeah, because it runs through the back, you're right. Kind of a cool little touch though. Big fan of this car. Yeah. Yeah, I agree. Good turnout today. Yeah, Thomas, I'll go back and check it out a little more in just a second here. Pretty good turnout today. Yeah, this car. Yes. Hello there. What's up? Big fan of this car. Big fan. Really, really clean on the inside as well.
Just grab it. If you grab one side, I grab the other. Should be all right. No, we'll grab that guy and that little forklift. Oh, that forklift thing. We'll have him drag it down.
Go to the Corvette alley over here. Don. Yeah, it's a really, really nice one. Morning.
So we'll get that.
This guy was here last week. This thing's cool. LS powered Z. Jimmy, Starwood, Washington. Thanks for watching. Oh, excuse me. Got a cool, good-looking catfish camera over here. Looks like it's got a lot of stuff done to it. Clean car. Juan, morning. Cool Porsche. Yeah, you want to go check out the Metropolitan? Let's go check it out. The Metropolitan.
Sure enough.
Good morning from Denmark. Good morning. New vet. It's a couple Chevelles over here I'd never seen before. This is one of them. Stunning Metro, yeah. It's really nice.
Look, he's got donut sauce.
Really nice Chevelle. Like the black one better, huh? Dave likes the black one better. I think they both look really nice. They're both in really nice shape. You got the teal. Yeah, there's a bunch of really nice ones. Good looking truck. The new electric. Yes, it is. How about that?
The only thing I can see on that whole thing is a bunch of ponies.
A bunch of what?
Ponies.
Yeah,
There's no name.
the thing that's a Mustang is the badging. That's about it, right?
Yeah, he says this thing's fast.
Yeah, I bet. I don't know if I've seen one of these yet. I can't say I've seen one yet. Huh. Interesting. A little different from something like this or something like an older Mustang. Yeah. I don't think I've seen one yet, have you?
Yeah, I saw one at the last cruise.
Oh, you did?
The last cute cruise.
Huh.
But the GTs aren't out yet.
Oh,
The
interesting.
GTs are going to be the hot ones.
Oh, interesting. Huh.
I love that.
Yeah, me too. That is so cool. Split window vet. Rick, good morning. I don't know. I think there's so many cool things here. I like all kinds of different stuff. I like the split window vet. It's really nice. One thing that I didn't get a chance to look at is this Camaro that pulled in over here. Sounded really nice. Really good sounding Camaro that pulled in. King's Dad Garage. Kingford, good morning. Convertible. Super V rolling out. I think for today, man, there's a lot of beautiful stuff here today. I think for today, it's probably about it. I think we're going to switch over to Instagram and walk around a little bit. Thanks everybody for watching.